Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp message not working on iPhone. Solution number 1, disable and enable iCloud WhatsApp. First go to settings app on your iPhone. Next click on your Apple ID name. On the next page click on iCloud. Click on show all. Swipe down and disable WhatsApp, then wait for few seconds, enable it. Solution number 2, offload and reinstall WhatsApp. Go to settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on general. On the next page click on iPhone storage. Swipe down and click on WhatsApp. Click on offload app. Then click on offload app to confirm. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel.